Hi, I'm Tina. Welcome to Dean's Washer and Dryer Repairs. Our family owned and operated business. We've been at our current shop for over 12 years. We repair almost all brands of washing machines, dryers, fridges and freezers, and also stock a large range of parts. We also have a showroom full of second-hand appliances for sale with excellent warranties. Washing machines have between 6 and 12 months warranty, dryers have 6 months warranty and fridges have 3 months warranty. We are conveniently located only 2 minutes drive off the Wacol exit from the Ipswich motorway.